Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat stuck on updating messages. If you are using Snapchat and you're facing the issue that your Snapchat app has been stuck on updating messages, or you might see a notification over here that which is updating messages but it has been stuck. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to scroll down your network center and make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. Or even you can also try to use any your browser or try to open any website to check if your internet is working well or not. So open your browser and open any random website from here to check if your internet is working well or not. If you find that your internet is slow or it's weak, so you can try to connect with the fastest network connection. Then go ahead to your settings app, go to general, go to VPN device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to go back from here, go to software update. I also recommend you have to try to update your software. After updating software, go back, and here you can also check one more setting for your iPhone. Open your settings app, go to general, go to background app refresh, and you have to make sure that you have enabled this setting for Snapchat here. Or if you find that your Snapchat setting has been disabled, so you can also try to enable this. It will allow your Snapchat app to use your mobile data or your Wi-Fi in background. So once I've enabled that setting, open your Snapchat app and then force close it by swiping up from here and then close the app from your recent apps. Then go ahead to your app store, go for search and search for Snapchat and try to update your app. So once you have updated your app, you have to go back, open Snapchat app, and here tap on the profile option in the top left. Then tap on settings or the gear icon in the top right. Scroll down and look for clear data option. Select it. Select clear cache. Then tap on clear. So it will clear cache and all the junk files you have in your Snapchat app. And tap on OK from here. Close Snapchat app from recent apps and then reopen it. So it will make a refresh with your Snapchat app. So if there will be any temporary issue, it will be fixed in this app. Or you can also try to check from your notification panel if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have a single way. You have to try to make a forced restart with your iPhone or try to restart your Android phone to fix your system or software glitch. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release your volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until that screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for your logo. And once you get the logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue must have to be fixed. But in some cases, if you're still facing the same issue, so this is the only way. You just have to go ahead to your settings app, then go to general, go to iPhone storage, and here just look for Snapchat app. Now here you can try to offload your app or you can also try to delete app. So in case of offloading or deleting, you have to reinstall the app, and after reinstallation, if there will be any bug or any malware with your Snapchat app, it will be fixing this app and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.